What's up, everybody? Welcome back again. So, today we are scalpers. Like yesterday at night around 9:30 p.m. East African time, we had some news and it really dumped the market down. Like, just look at the whole of this move. That's the effect of the market. So, today I want to be day trading, I'll just be scalping. Yeah. So, I've already caught one trade. It was a really fast trade. So it was a 1:4.12 risk to reward ratio trade. And right now I'm about to enter for another trade. Yeah. So the thing is, I saw that price had come all the way to this point. It had went up, down, and then it went and swept the liquidity that is above this highs over here, and then that is when I decided to ride it all the way down to this sort of demand zone at this point. Yeah. So today we are scalping. So I've already caught this 1:4.12, but even though I did not risk a lot in that trade, so we've managed to only make $33. Yeah. So right now, if price, as you can see, this was just an inducement. So right now I'm thinking about entering at this point. Yeah. So let us wait and enter into the market. Yeah. So I'm just trying to ride this pullback, nothing much. So as you can see over here, we've already gotten our break of structure at this point. So right now we might come all the way to this sort of flip zone at this point. This is a flip zone because this supply zone at this point did not do its job. So we might have anticipated for the market to go down, like when it came all the way up here, give us our lower high and then go down. But unfortunately, this supply zone at this point failed to do its job, so we got our flip zone at this point. So I'm thinking about riding the trade all the way down here. So we are entering. Let us see what price has for us. So we are entering in for a trade, for a sell trade. Today I'm going to be playing with one. Yeah. So there we go, sell, done. So I'm thinking about riding it all the way down here. So we've entered a little bit late. Yeah, it's a little bit late, even though it's not that late there. So I'm going to be placing my stop loss at above this highs over here. Let me place it at that point, and then my take profit, I think I'm going to be holding this trade all the way to this pivot candle at this point. Yeah. So let us wait and see. There. So that's it. A very quick scalp for us today. Let us wait and see what the market has for us today. Yeah, I'm going to be holding it all the way to this flip zone, but I might get out early or not. Let us just wait and see. But I think price will just have to come all the way down here and maybe sweep this liquidity below this low so that we can go upwards. Yeah. So today we are scalping, very quick scalp. Yeah. So what is a flip zone? A flip zone is a point where the previous point of interest failed to do its job. Hence, the market reverses from that point. So as you can see at this point, we've got this supply zone. And we expect price to come to this supply zone, give us our lower high, and then go downwards. But unfortunately, price just came all the way to this point, and then price just went up. So as you can see, price just reversed from when it reached at that flip zone. So the whole of this is a flip zone, this fake reaction. Yeah. And what magnifies the eligibility of this flip zone, as you can see, it gave us our break of structure. At this point we've got a break of structure, and again this candlestick closed above this high, so that means this is a valid flip zone. Yeah. So we've got candlesticks closing above these highs, and that means this is a valid flip zone, even though it's in a 1 minute time frame, so it might not give us a full body closing above that previous high, but all in all it's a flip zone. Yeah. So let us wait and see what price will do for us today. Yeah. So it's broken structure past the flip zone, and then we've got a candlesticks closing above that flip zone. Yeah. So price might just again come all the way maybe up here at this point, maybe mitigate some supply zone so that we can drop downwards. Yeah. As I told you guys, we might just be coming all the way up here to maybe mitigate some supply zone so that we can come down. Maybe price can just go and hit our stop loss. Who cares? There we are dropping. We are dropping. So for scalpers, we don't expect price to give us a very big risk to reward ratio. So as of now, let me see what this risk to reward ratio is. 1:1.93. Okay, not bad. There we are dropping. We are dropping. So as of now, price is just getting some resistance from this demand zone. Like the buyers are trying to push the market to go upwards because some buyers entered into the market at this point. But as you can see, we've got some big sell liquidity. Like the sell volume in the market is so high, so sellers are more likely to overwhelm the buyers here. So if we manage to take out this low, then just know that we are going down. If we take this low, then we are going down. So let us just hope that the price will just take out this low and go downwards. Yeah. So the trade is playing out nicely, not bad. Let us just wait and see. Okay. Uh-huh. Or maybe price might not have sufficient liquidity, so it must come all the way up here to get more liquidity so that you can go downward. The market has a lot of things that it can do. Like it can do a lot of things. Price can just go down, price can come all the way up here, sweep the liquidity that is above these highs, or maybe mitigates this supply zone so that you can go downwards, or price might just go up. Maybe it can respect this demand zone and go up. Maybe it can come down all the way to this point, sweep the liquidity that is below this low over here so that you can go up. It can come all the way down here to this pivot candle, as I anticipate for it to do, come down, mitigate it, then go upwards. Yeah. So there are a lot of possibilities of what the market can do, and we wish to catch or we hope to get the exact thing that the market will do, the exact move. Yeah. So we are dropping. We are dropping. Why is price just? Can this be a liquidity sweep? Can this be a liquidity sweep? Price can just sweep the liquidity that is below this lows at this point and then go up. So, well, anyways, I'm going to be holding this trade until it either hits TP or SL. Today, I won't close the trade early. Yeah. Oh. See. Oh. Shit. Oh. Whew. Are we cooked? Are we cooked? Whew. Oh. Damn. Whew. Oh my god. So I think price just came all the way up, sweep the liquidity that is below, that is above this high, so that it can go downwards. I hope you see. Oh my god! I hope you've seen this pump. Like it's just pumped up, and then right now it's just coming down. Yeah. So I think I'm going to be trailing my stop loss, man. So I think I'm going to be trailing my stop loss all the way to this above these highs that have been swept. Yeah. Today, let me just adjust my stop loss. Done. So I've adjusted my stop loss from this point. I've trailed my stop loss. The only time I'm allowed to trail my stop loss is when I'm scalping. Otherwise, I won't trail any stop loss when I'm not scalping. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. So it's somewhere there. We are about to hit TP. Oh price, come down. Just trail downwards, trail down. Yeah, it's about to hit TP. It's TP. We are about to hit our TP. We are about to hit our TP. We are about to hit our TP. We're just like 2 pips away from hitting our TP. We are about 2 pips away from hitting our TP. Okay. Oh my god. My network is lagging, man. Whew. Ah, come on. Come on. Just go and hit my TP. Like we were like 2 pips away from my hitting my TP. What the hell? Okay, let me trail my stop loss again. Okay. So I've trailed my stop loss again. From this point, I've brought it to somewhere over here. Above this, I think I'm going to be placing it over here. Even though price can just come and hit my take profit, yeah. So I've trailed my stop loss all the way up here, like somewhere over here. Yeah, at this point. So let us wait and see if price will hit our TP or not. Even though there are chances that it might hit, because as you can see, we've got this big candlestick, which means that there is sufficient momentum for price to come and hit our TP. Come on, we are almost hitting our TP. Almost. Ah, come on, come on. Oh, whew. Come on. Ah, come on. And let me just close at 50. Okay, let me trail it above this highs. Today we are trailing our stop losses as hell, man. Yeah. Okay, there. Let's go down. Let's go down. Okay, I've placed it at 45 take profit. Yeah. So if price hits our there we are out. We are out of the game. Yeah. So we've made today about 78. The hell? Ah, come on. Will it hit our TP? Ah, come on, come on. Anyways, we've made about $78. Nothing big. We've made about $78, nothing too big. Yeah, that's a successful trade. We've made about $78. And right now we might think about buying. Yeah. So let us buy. Let us look for buying opportunities. So I think this is just an inducement. Yeah. So for me, I'm going to be waiting for price to come all the way to this very tiny order block that we've got over here, so that I can enter for longs. So if price does not come all the way to this point, then for me, I'll be done for the day. Yeah. So right now, we might be thinking about looking for buys right now at this point, because price has come all the way to this sort of demand zone. So I think we are going to be looking for longs anytime soon. Yeah. Okay, we are entering for buys. There we go. So we've just entered for a buy position. We've just entered for longs at this point, somewhere around 15,147. 15,147, yeah. So I've placed my stop loss at 15,106. 15,106. Yeah, that point. Well, let me just place it below the order block. Let me place it around this point. Yeah, around 15,092. And then for my take profit, I'm going to be targeting the whole this high over here. Like I'm going to be holding this trade all the way till we get out of this high. Yeah. So that is where I'm going to be placing my take profit. Let me just delete this demand zone. Yeah. I'm going to be holding this trade all the way up here. So let me just even delete this flip zone. Yeah. So we remain with this order block at this point, and also this order block at this point. Yeah, so I'm going to be holding this trade all the way up here. Let us wait and see what price has for us. So guys, I think this is just a liquidity sweep. You know, we came up, went down, then came up again, giving us our double bottom, equal lows. So that means price must come down, sweep the lows so that we can go up. That is what I think the market is doing. Or maybe price might just be reversing to our stop loss. Who cares? So let us just hold and see. Guys, wait and see how we are about to pump up. Just wait and see. Wait and see. I can feel it. I can feel the strength of the suppliers who are in the market. I know anytime from now we are going to be pumping upwards. Mark my words. Wait and see. Like if this trade hits my stop loss, then I think I'm going to be shaving my head all over again. Yeah, okay, I won't. But that is the level of confidence that I have in this trade. Just wait and see how it's about to pump upwards. What did I just tell you? What did I just tell you? Just look at this big, juicy, bullish candlestick. I told you that anytime from now, it's about to push upwards. And as you can see, we are going up. Look at that big boy push. Hmm? Look at that. Just look at this. I told you guys that anytime from now, we are about to go up. So right now, we are at break even. Yeah, we are at break even. So let us wait and see what the market will do for us today. Yeah, what the heck is happening? What the hell is happening? Okay, price is just sweeping liquidity. It's not that I'm assuming or something, but I know price is just sweeping liquidity. This was just an inducement for me and other noob traders to enter into the market so that price can come and chop our stop loss and then go on our way or on our side. Yeah, because as you can see, the amount of buyers that entered into the market at this point, at this level, it was so high. Eh? Okay, so right now, whew, okay, we've stepped into this order block. Ooh, 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 shit. Ooh. Ah. We've just got stopped out, guys. So that is it for us today. Ah, come on. I've lost like $55 in this trade. Damn. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to be trading again. So today we've only made like $23. We've come all the way from 78 to 23 because I've lost like $55 in this trade. Yeah. So today I don't know if I'm going to be looking for any other trade unless this trade decides to play out. Yeah, so if I see like this momentum of price trying to go upwards, then I think I'm going to be taking that trade, because so long as I'm not in a loss, I'm already in profits. I'm like $23 up. Yeah, so if I see like this bearish momentum losing its thing, then I think I'm going to be entering into the same trade setup but at a different time. Yeah, so let us wait and see. So I think I'm going to be entering for another trade. Yeah, the last one. Today we are scalping, so let me just give it my all. So let us just enter into another trade. Yeah, let us enter there. We've entered for a buy. Yeah, so I'm going to be placing my take profit. Okay, so he already lost this trade. Let us get over with it. Yeah, so he lost it. So I've entered for another long trade at this point. So for my stop loss, I'm going to be placing it somewhere over there, somewhere over here. That is 15,073. And then for my take profit, I'm going to be aiming again all the way up here. I'm going to be aiming it all the way up there. Yeah. So let us wait and see if this trade will pay out. This is the last trade that we are taking, and if it goes sideways, then we'll be in a very big loss. Not well, not very big, a little tiny loss, but so long as I've traded my plan, then I've got nothing to worry about. Yeah. So if we lose this trade, we'll be down like $20, nothing big. Yeah. So let us wait and see if this trade will play out again. Yeah, let me tell my bro that I've entered for another trade. Yeah. Are we about to get stopped out? Yes. Oh. Today it's not our day. Oh, today it's not our day. Okay. Come on, Mr. Network. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, Mr. Network. Oh, come on. What is wrong with this thing? Oh, come on, Mr. Watch It. Don't do this to your old boy. Come on. Come on. Let us go upwards. Let's go upwards. Hey, what is wrong with this thing? It wants my SL to be chopped. So I've traded my stop loss to 15,055. Hey, wow. Come on. So I think we are about to go up. Yeah. Oh my god. I hope this trade plays out. Damn. Because if it doesn't play out, then I'll be cooked. I'll be cooked totally. Yeah. So let us just hope that this trade will play out. You can see that buyers are stepping into the market. I don't know if they'll manage to push the price upwards, or maybe this is just a retracement. Maybe this is just a retracement to make a lower high and then go down. So I don't know. At this point, I think I've started to gamble, and I don't know what will be my fate in the next 5 minutes or so. Yeah. So today today hasn't been my best day. Today hasn't been my best trading day. Even if I end up making this big move all the way up here, today will I can give today a 3 out of 10, because today I'm gambling, totally gambling, and that is why I don't like scalping. Scalping leads you to get these emotions, fear of missing out, greed and all, and that is why I don't like scalping. I'm all over day trader. I love day trading. Yeah. So I don't know if I'll ever scalp again. I don't know, because I've taken 4 trades today. 4. This is the 4th trade. Damn. Yeesh. Okay. So let us just wait and see what price has for us. Yeah. But today I give it a 3 out of 10. Even if price goes all the way and hits our TP, I give today a 3 out of 10. A 3 out of 10. Yeah. I started well. I wasn't so greedy. As we approached this point, I was already like $78 up. But I decided to enter into this trade out of greed, and then price went and chopped our stop loss, and then I decided to enter for another trade. I don't know if it's revenge trading or something. Yeah. And right now we are in a drawdown, and today hasn't been my best trading day. Let me just be honest with you guys. Yeah. So let us just wait and see what price will do, but only overall price might just go up there, or it might react on this supply zone and come down. I don't know. So let us just wait and see what price will do. But I think for now I'll be taking my profit at this point. I don't know. Right now I'm confused. I'm confused, like totally. I'm confused. So let us just wait and see what price will do. Yeah. So at this point, I can even get rid of this order block over here. Yeah. So we are out of the drawdown. Yeah. We are going up. We are about $18 up. So let us just anticipate for the market to go on our side. So I think I'm going to be trailing my stop loss to break even. Yeah. Let me place it at negative $10. Yeah. I'd place it at $50 down, but let me just adjust it to negative $10 so that even if we lose this trade, then we'll be in profits. We'll still be in profits for the day. Yeah. So I've trailed it to negative $10 somewhere over here. So okay, let me just show you. I've placed it somewhere over here because if I trail this thing, then we won't see what the market is doing here. So I've trailed it. What is this thing? Order, placing order. What? I don't know. I don't know. It's my network or something. So let it just do its thing. Yeah. Let me go and do something out there. Then I'll be back. Okay, guys. So let me just get out of this trade. Okay, guys. So I'm going to be trailing my stop loss. Should I trail? Okay, let me put it to break even. Yeah, so I've placed my stop loss at break even. Oh, let me just leave it at negative 10. Yeah, so let me just leave it there. Let me just leave price to do its thing. Yeah, so guys, let me just close the trade. We are about $58 up here. So let us close together. There we go. Yeah, so today I'm overwhelmed with the market. So let me just close this trade. Even though it's not that good, let me just close it. I'm done for the day. I've taken 4 trades, and out of these 4 I've won 3 out of 4. Yeah, so I've only lost 1, and currently we are $79 up, 79.6. Yeah, 79.62. I'm satisfied with the day, even though not that satisfied. Today I've been so emotional and all, but we call it a day. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment on what you noticed today, and then also share it to your friends, your fellow forex traders, and all, to your family. So as of now, we are at 86 subscribers, like 6 subscribers past yesterday. Yesterday we were at 80, so today we are at 86. Yeah, so let us keep subscribing and let us build this community together. Overall, for today, as I've said, I give it a 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10 because I was so emotional and all. Because today I've taken 4 trades. I've lost 1. I've won 3. And this very trade over here has really costed me. Yeah, so today I've been so emotional. I think I won't be scalping anymore because scalping is not really for me. Because as you can see, today I've really been emotional and all, but even though I've been emotional, we've ended the day in profits. $79 in profits. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next video. I'm anticipating to meet you in the next video. And remember that you have to do something with your life. It's never too late. Bye bye.